Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. I post several shopping videos a day, so subscribe to join the shopping squad. So I'm at Burlington and I'm just looking around. I see these $8 butterfly shorts and these $8 rainbow tie-dye shorts. And some little gray sweatpants shorts. And then they have these blue ones with a butterfly. They're super cute. And then over here they have some beach cover-ups in some really pretty colors. So they have this like rainbow one for $13. $15, I think that's Under Armour. They have a Tommy Hilfiger. $8 pink one, $13 yellow, little Calvin Klein. And this one is so pretty for $8. And I know some people wear these as like little shirts in the summer. It don't have to be a beach cover-up, but I like the colors on that. But I think I'm gonna look at the clothes. I just started out in the shorts and the beach cover-ups, but I'm gonna look at some clothes now. These women's blouses. So they got some sleeveless ones. They have this Guess tank top for $13. They have it in white and black. Little $9 white sleeveless. Look how pretty this one is for $10 with the polka dots. Tommy Hilfiger. Little $10 sleeveless top. So this is like the sleeveless section. $10 blue. A gray Old Navy tank top. And it's just $4. I like this one. It has little popsicles on it. It's $10 and it's Banana Republic brand, so that's a good brand.